Hello everyone, today I'm teaching you how to make pakoras. Now 1.5 cup of gram flour, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon salt, garlic powder, half a teaspoon, cumin powder, half a teaspoon, onion powder, half a teaspoon, chili powder, cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon, crushed chilies, 1 teaspoon, baking powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon, baking soda, 1/4 of a teaspoon, coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon, crush, half onion cut, half a bunch of cilantro, 2 cut green chili peppers. Mix everything. Now add cold water and make a thick paste. This should look like this. Mix it and leave this for 10 minutes. Okay, this thing is ready to be fried. Okay, let's turn the stove on to medium heat for 5 minutes. Oil should not be too hot or cold. So how are we going to check it? Drop one little thing in there and it should rise up. Okay, so let's start frying our pakoras. If it's splashing, always cover it. Okay, let's check. We need to turn them so they are evenly cooked. When they are golden brown, so turn the stove off. We can take them out, strain them, put it on the paper towel. I use paper towel to get rid of extra oil. Fried pakoras are ready. You can eat this with ketchup, chili sauce, or mint chutney. Enjoy.